Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by entering edit mode and choosing vertex, edge, or face selection. This determines how precisely you remove geometry. Once done, enable X-ray or wireframe to reveal occluded faces, because hidden vertices can break topology. Next, use box or lasso select for fast bulk removal. Press X and pick delete faces, edges, or vertices depending on what you need. Make sure to check the object origin and apply scale, Ctrl+A first, since transforms affect snapping and knife accuracy. Now focus on precise removal. Use the knife tool to trace exact edges. Click drag, then enter to commit. This preserves surrounding topology. Alternatively, add loop cuts with Ctrl+R to isolate a mesh region and make deletion predictable. Use select linked L on a face to grab connected islands quickly, or expand and contract selections with Ctrl++ and Ctrl+- for fine control. Also, consider the face orientation overlay to avoid deleting the only faces that define normals you still need. To finish, clean topology. Merge overlapping vertices with merge by distance, then recalculate normals with Shift+N so shading stays correct. Fill small holes with F or use grid fill for larger gaps. Make sure to adjust face density to match neighbors. If shading or rendering artifacts appear, select non-manifold to find problematic edges and fix them before export. Troubleshoot tip. If Boolean or trims leave stray faces, duplicate the object, hide originals, then manually inspect and delete one face at a time to isolate the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.